What are the objects? Suppose we take real world objects. What are the real world objects? Your bike is an object. Okay? Your car is an object. Okay? Your bank account is an object. So Java deals with objects. Java deals with objects. That means you can define an object. You can do manipulations on the object. We can define an object, do some manipulations on the objects, do some actions or manipulations on the objects. Okay? Let us take, because we are all familiar with our bank account, what all you have to do. What does the bank account has? The bank account has account number, okay, which can be some integer, if you assume it is an integer, or it may also have some characters. For simplicity, let us assume your account number is an integer, okay, and it will have a name of the holder, account holder, which is a string, okay. Your account will also have balance, okay, which you can take it as float, okay. Let us take only these three values. It may have many other values. Let us take for simplicity only these values. And what actions you can perform on this? I can withdraw some money from my account, or we can deposit amount, okay, or you want to see what all the transactions you have done on your account, transaction statement, bank statement. So let us assume these for simplicity. So what are these first three? First three are the values you have, okay, the values you have on the account, bank account. So your account number, your name, the balance you have in your account, and these are actions that you want to perform on your account. Okay, you want to withdraw. How do you withdraw? Okay, when you withdraw the money, the balance amount will be decreased. Okay, so what is the action you are doing when you withdraw the money? Balance amount is decreased. Okay, similarly, when you deposit money into your account, your balance will increase. Okay, when you want to take the statement of your account, it will display what all the transactions you have done on your account. Display transactions. Okay, display the transactions. So your bank account is an object which has some values. These values also called as data members. Okay, these actions we call them as functions, more appropriately methods. We call them as methods. So what does an object contain? So an object contains, any object contains data members and method members. Data members and method members. Okay, so what data members are there? What method members are there? We define using a class. Okay, so a class defines data members and method members. Okay, so a class defines an object. Class defines an object. Okay, so you only define in the class what members are there, what data members are there, what method members are there. Okay, now once you define what members are there, anybody can open an account in the bank. Every bank account holder will have the same methods, same data members. Okay, so every account holder, bank account holder will have the above members. Okay, so if you open an account, you have your account number, your name, the balance in your account. You can perform withdrawal, you can perform deposit, you can also take the display of all your transactions. Okay, so here the classes defines what members are there. So when you define a class, defines members. Both, what are the members? Both data and method members. Now, when you open your account, bank account, you are one object of that class. So, each account holder is one object of the class. The class, which is the name of the class, we have to give some name. Suppose we give the name as bank account or bank account. Suppose the name of my class is bank account. So we have to, the class contains both the data members and method members. Now when you open your account, you create one object of that class. You create one object of the class. So class is the definition. Definition of what are the data members, what are the method members. Object is one variable of that class. Okay? Class contains definition. Definition means what members are there. Okay? And object is one instance of this definition. One instance or variable of the definition, class definition of the class. Okay? Class defines the members. Object is one variable of that class, one instance of that class.